Composition is the foundation of compelling visuals in filmmaking. In this video, we'll explore essential techniques including the rule of thirds, leading lines, close-up shots, and more. These tools will help you create more visually engaging and meaningful shots. First, let's talk about the rule of thirds. Imagine dividing your frame into a 3x3 grid. The intersections of these lines are powerful focal points for your subjects. For portraits, try placing the subject's eyes on one of these points. In landscapes, position the horizon along the upper or lower third. This simple technique can dramatically improve your shot composition. Next, we have leading lines. These are elements in your scene that guide the viewer's eye. A road, a river, or even the lines on someone's face can serve this purpose. Use these lines to draw attention to your subject or create a sense of depth in your frame. Now, let's consider headroom and looking room. Headroom is the space above a person's head in your shot. Always leave a bit more than you think you needed to avoid a cramped feeling. Looking room refers to the space in front of a person in the direction they're facing or looking. This creates a natural sense of where their attention is directed. Symmetry and balance are also crucial. Symmetry, where both sides of the frame mirror each other, can create a sense of calm or formality. Balance, on the other hand, doesn't require perfect symmetry but uses visual weight to create stability in your frame. Creating depth in your shots adds dimension and draws the viewer in. Try layering elements in your foreground, midground, and background. You can also play with focus to create a shallow depth of field, keeping your subject sharp while blurring the background. Let's talk about different shot types. Wide shots capture a large area, perfect for establishing location or showing the relationship between characters and their environment. Use them to introduce settings or showcase vast landscapes. Now, let's talk about close-up shots. Close-ups are excellent for conveying powerful emotions or highlighting specific details. They can also shift the pace of a scene, drawing attention to a character's reaction or a critical moment. Ensure sharp focus on the most important detail, like the eyes in an emotional close-up. Use a longer focal length lens to achieve a true close-up without distortion. Remember, there are variations of close-ups. A classic close-up frames the face and shoulders. A medium close-up includes the upper torso or waist. An extreme close-up focuses on a very specific detail, like an eye or a mouth. Remember, mastering these techniques takes practice. Experiment with different compositions and see how they affect your storytelling. Thanks for watching, and I will check you out in my next video.